All right, Tuesday. Got a bunch done on the Barracuda. All the lines are in. Carpet is pretty much stretched out. I got to clean off everything, and I've got to start putting all the panels on. I can do that tomorrow. Everything looks good, and I did show the motor already. So we've actually been cleaned down the motor with the pressure washer. I've got to really degrease it, and then I can put the freeze out plugs in. We've pressure washed all the inside where all the gunk was in the freeze out plugs. We also have figured out what color we're doing the truck. That's a little bluer than it really is. It's more of a teal. It's a Jeep color, believe it or not. So that's what we're working with. All right, guys, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.